In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not being able to connect to the Steam network. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to dive into your favorite games. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a series of simple steps to help get you back online in no time. First, let's start with the basics. A good first step is always to restart both your Steam application and your computer. This may sound too simple, but it can often resolve minor glitches that are preventing a proper network connection. A fresh boot can clear out any temporary issues that might be obstructing the application's performance. Now, let's check the essentials. Your internet connection. Ensure that your internet is running smoothly and that there are no outages in your area. You can do this by opening a browser and visiting any web page to confirm connectivity. If you're experiencing issues with your internet, troubleshooting this should be your priority, as a stable connection is crucial for Steam to function properly. Once we've confirmed that your internet connection is good, let's open the Steam app. Navigate to the Start menu or desktop shortcut and launch the application. When it opens, you should be prompted to log in. Go ahead and click on the login option. Now enter your account name and password in the respective fields. It's important here to ensure that your login credentials are correct, as this is often a common stumbling block. After entering your details, click the sign in button. If everything goes smoothly, you should be logged into your account. In case you're still facing issues, let's delve a little deeper into the settings. Once logged in, go to the Steam menu and select Settings. From here, head over to the Download section. This is where you can find options that could potentially resolve our connection issues. One effective troubleshooting action is clearing the download cache. Click Clear Cache and this will help remove any corrupted or obsolete data that might be preventing a connection. After clearing the cache, restarting Steam can further help in refreshing its connection with the network. Alternatively, you might want to consider changing your download region. Sometimes the nearest server might be experiencing difficulties. Switching to a different region can align you with a more stable server, allowing you to reconnect smoothly. Finally, once you've made these adjustments, restart Steam once again. After following these steps, most users typically find themselves reconnecting successfully to their networks. And that's it. With a little patience and by following these straightforward steps, you should be able to connect to the Steam network and get back to enjoying your games. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gaming.